Going on YouTube? It's been a minute. I'm back though. I'm at the dealership right now. Got my Toro TimeCutter in the back. Let's see if I can drop it off to finally get that muffler fixed. So come along with me. I'll show you what it looks like now. I also found out that I have a flat tire. I kind of knew about it, but it's time to get it plugged up and fixed. I don't have to mess with it anymore. Okay guys, follow me. Let's do it. So what we're gonna have them look at is this muffler. Oh, that's bad. Okay, I also have this flat tire here. Okay, and then it's leaking oil like right here and right there. And then we'll see what they can do about the blades. Okay. Guess it's true what they say. You know, I've just been so busy with other people's lawns, I forgot to take care of my lawn. And you know, it's true what they say about the Shoemaker. His son has the worst pairs of shoes. So kind of true. My garden has been neglected and lots of weeding to do, lots to get done. But we're here. We're gonna get it done today, and hopefully that's a little head start. Okay, let's do it. All right, gang. So here's the final result of what I was working on today. Looks like I got some potatoes in here. An update on the grass seed. Did all right. flower bed is next. Lots of weeds in there. And this flower bed is next. I'll get to them. Just takes a little bit of time, that's all. I like the breeze.